How to treat droopy eyelids naturally. Sagging or drooping eyelids not only make you seem older than you are, but they also pose a health risk by obstructing your eyesight. According to some estimates, over 100,000 men and women seek surgical treatment for this condition each year. Unfortunately, surgical treatment and the effects of anesthesia are difficult for many people and have many disadvantages. Normal cellular aging, diabetes, stroke, Horner's syndrome, or any other disorder that impairs nerve or muscle function can all cause sagging eyelids. Natural treatment's efficacy will vary depending on the reason and degree of the drooping lids. Here are the top 5 natural treatments for droopy eyelids. 1. Chamomile Tea Bags. Chamomile includes anti-inflammatory properties that can aid in the treatment of droopy eyelids. Refrigerate the tea bags before using them to cover your eyes. Relax for 20 minutes with the bags on your eyes. Make this a regular part of your regimen and you'll notice results quickly. 2. DIY Natural Eye Cream. To make a paste, combine 4 tablespoons plain yogurt, 4 tablespoons aloe vera gel, 2 teaspoons oats, and 5 peeled cucumber slices. Apply the paste to your eyelids and keep it on for 20 minutes before rinsing with lukewarm water. 3. Cucumbers. Place cool cucumber slices over your eyes for 15 to 20 minutes. When you're finished, throw the slices away. 4. Ice water. To tighten the skin and relieve drooping eyelid skin, wash your face with extremely cold water every evening. 5. Incorporate extra grapes into your diet. Because of their high resveratrol content, grapes are a fantastic choice. Resveratrol aids in the slowing or even prevention of cellular aging. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to get more videos like this one.